Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on finance equations and specifically annuities. All right. From age 27 to 43, Victoria worked for a job and invested $250 per quarter into a retirement fund that paid 7% compounded quarterly. At age 43, she stopped contributing but made no withdrawals until the age of 65. All right. Thomas made $250 quarterly contributions into his account from age 33 to 65, which earned the same interest rate. How much did each have when they retired, and who had the bigger nest egg? Okay, so let's start with Victoria. How much did she have at 65? So we have to do two calculations. We first have to start with her annuity. Her annuity, so A equals R, 1 plus R over M to the MT minus 1 divided by R divided by M. Let's see. She is investing $250 at 7% compounded quarterly for, okay, we need to know how many years. She went from 43 minus 27 is 16 years. Okay, for 16 years, minus 1, divided by 0.07, divided by 4. This is tricky to get into your calculator, so make sure you practice putting this into a calculator. When we do all of this, we find out that her annuity left her with, let's see, $29,075.83. So this is what she got from her annuity. But then she left it there to grow. So then we have a lump sum. Our lump sum is a compound interest. A equals P 1 plus R over M to the MT. So A is equal to this 29,075.83, 1 plus 0.07 divided by 4 to the 4 times, so we have to figure it out. Okay, 65 minus 43, another 22 years to the 22. We find out when she hits 65, what she has in her bank account is $133,832.29. So we had to start with the annuity to figure out what she had earned in the first 16 years of putting money in. Then we needed to take that money that was sitting there and figure out what that lump sum grew to in the next 22 years. Now the next question, and this always is something I'm always curious about, how much did she pay to get to this amount of money? Well, she paid $250 per quarter for 16 years, which was $16,000. So $16,000 up to $133,000. That's a nice return on your investment. I think that's pretty good. Okay. So next, how much will Thomas have at age 65? Well, Thomas made $250 quarterly contributions as well from 33 to 65. So let's start there. 65 minus 33 is 32 years. And so he just has the annuity. He didn't have any lump sum growth. He just started at 33, which is a mere 6 years later. And just 6 years later, Victoria finally convinced Tom to start investing, and he did. Same equation. So I'm just going to set same $250. It's the same kind of account, 1 plus 0.07 quarterly. This time it's for 32 years instead of 16. So this is interesting because it's twice as long. Victoria did 16 years. She ended up with $29,000. Thomas invested twice as long. He ended up with $117,329.91, which is a lot more than the 29, but it's less than the 133. And then, of course, the real interesting question is, how much did it cost Thomas to make less money? So He spent $250 per quarter for 32 years, which left him at $32,000. What's the moral of the story? Of course, invest early, invest often. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!